Welcome back to the internet web. Have you ever seen a baby bird taking a shower? Here's a cloud that looks like Godzilla. This is how spiders weave their webs. Have you ever seen something like this before? This iron chain is so rusted by sea salt, it looks like it's made of wood. Have you ever tried to put a spinning gyroscope in a cardboard box before? Here's an aerial view of the World War I trenches 100 years ago. This house was built in the 18th century and is one of the oldest houses in Norway. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos.